Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office. We're talking about automotive news. I try and get the news out as quick as I can to everybody watching because this can affect maybe a vehicle you currently own or a vehicle you're potentially looking at buying. Before we get started, please help a small channel out by smashing the subscribe button. It is free to do, doesn't cost you a thing, and you can always go head over the channel to the search bar, type up something. Just keep it simple in the search bar. Type in Toyota, Nissan, car, how to, whatever, and it'll pop up all those videos. If you also don't mind at the end of the video smashing the like button and notification bell so you're not posting new content. Today we're talking about a recall that's going to affect the best-selling midsize truck in the United States. And it's a muddy one if you don't ask me. Toyota is issuing a recall for Toyota Tacoma pickups. Now, how old a Tacoma are you asking? Well, these trucks are only the ones manufactured between January 2024 and January 2025. This recall has affected four-wheel drive vehicles equipped with 16-inch brake systems with hoses that transfer brake fluid under hydraulic pressure to the calipers for braking. The positioning of these components allows mud and dirt to build up on the interior of the wheels and possibly come into contact with the brake hoses and causing them to leak. Now, Toyota began receiving reports with rear brake hose leaks, and they went through and looked at their manufacturing processes and narrowed down that it only involves 16-inch and 17-inch wheel options. So if you have those and your truck is manufactured after January 2024, you might have a Tacoma that needs to get some correction because everybody needs brakes, right? So 106,000 Tacomas are going to be recalled due to this. And again, this is one of Toyota's best-selling vehicles that they make. And it is, like I said, for 20 years, they claim that they are the highest-selling midsize truck in America. Now, again, what the dealers are going to do is they're going to replace those brake lines with improved ones, and it's going to be free. Most recalls are free. I will link Nahitsa's website. You can go over to Nahitsa. It's safe. Type in your VIN in that and see if any or all of your vehicles may be under recalls. And typically, safety recalls are free to repair for any owner. Even if you're the third or fourth owner, you're usually covered. So again, no cost to you. It sucks. Again, as growing pains, they changed the Tacoma just a year or two ago. Stuff like this is going to happen. But unfortunately, you aren't going to get your notice till April of 2025. So you can go over to Nahitsa's website and see if you can get yourself in line to get your Tacoma safe and keep it on the road. As always, guys, make sure you stick around and subscribe. We got lots of great content coming up. I'm going to catch you on the next one.